One day in Medina, a woman lost her child, and back in the day they didn't have lost and found. They didn't have the police. So the child is lost, the child is lost. Khalas, the child is gone. And for days and weeks this mom is looking for her child. What is it like for a mother to lose her child? Even for 10 minutes, a mother starts to panic. But imagine days and weeks. And one moment happened in Medina where this woman found her child. And when she found her child, she began running to him and crying. And she grabbed her child. And the Prophet ﷺ turned around and all of his companions were crying, just watching the incident. And he said to his companions, you see this lady? Can you imagine her burning her child in a fire? They said, Bala kalla ya Rasulullah, impossible. He said to his companions, Allahu arhamu bikum min hadhihi. Allah is more merciful to you than this mother to her child. You see, you knew Allah was merciful, but when He gave that example, you understood it in a different way.